Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best Natural Lashes Magnetic is probably one of the most revolutionary beauty products to hit the market in years, offering a stunningly natural look without the hassle of traditional lash extensions or messy adhesives, allowing anyone to achieve voluminous, beautifully defined lashes in mere minutes, making it an indispensable tool for achieving that effortlessly glamorous gaze that turns heads and boosts confidence with every flutter. Number 5. Luxillia Magnetic Eyelashes Kit. Tired of messy glue? Our magnetic lashes attach seamlessly without any adhesive. Enjoy the convenience of easy-to-apply lashes for a flawless look every time. Achieve a natural look that blends perfectly with your own lashes. They are ideal for everyday wear or for those special occasions. Get flawless lashes with our all-in-one kit. It includes premium magnetic lashes, waterproof magnetic eyeliner, and an easy-to-use applicator for professional results. Experience the longevity of our magnetic lashes. Crafted for multiple uses, they are a cost-effective and sustainable choice for your beauty routine. Our magnetic lashes are gentle on your eyes and natural lashes. Enjoy the best magnetic lashes that offer both comfort and safety without compromising on style. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution for effortless, glue-free application. It provides a natural look that blends seamlessly with your own lashes. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for everyday wear or special occasions, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Follow the instructions and they work. The liner. This liner is stinky, but it works, and the smell subsides as the day goes on. Now apply the lashes and they literally snap into place. Number 4. Onlyall Natural Lashes D1 Natural. Experience a natural look like never before with our ultra-thin lash bands. They are incredibly lightweight, offering a seamless blend with your own lashes. You'll barely feel them. These strip lashes are featherweight and made from superfine fibers, ensuring all-day comfort and a soft feel. Our sturdy lash band holds its shape perfectly, designed to complement all eye shapes. From almond to monolid, they offer a flawless fit. Elevate your look for any event. These lashes are ideal for everyday wear, work, weddings, parties, and any special occasion. Application is a breeze, and the best part? They are reusable up to 15 to 20 times. Save time and money with this convenient choice. What we like. These feature an ultra-thin lash band for a lightweight and natural appearance. They are designed to fit all eye shapes comfortably. If you prefer a barely there feel and a natural enhancement that suits any eye shape, these are perfect for you. What people say. The magnetic eyeliner is very strong and holds the lashes in place all day. The lashes are lightweight and comfortable to wear. I almost forgot I had them on. Application is super easy and quick, even for beginners. Number 3. Magnetic Eyelashes Kit. Introducing our revolutionary Magnetic Eyelashes Kit. Achieve a stunning, natural look that lasts all day without any hassle. Our specially formulated magnetic eyeliner ensures your lashes stay perfectly in place, no matter the situation. It's safe for your eyes and skin, and doubles as your everyday liquid liner. Experience ultimate comfort with these incredibly lightweight lashes. They are so easy to apply, even for beginners, you'll forget you're wearing them. With 14 different pairs to choose from, you can effortlessly switch up your look for any event. From daily wear to parties and weddings, find the perfect style to enhance your natural beauty. Crafted from high-quality synthetic fibers, these lashes offer a natural appearance. They are comfortable, non-irritating, and designed to make your eyes look bright and captivating. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beautifully designed magnetic lash set is an ideal present for any woman in your life, offering convenience and elegance. What we like. This set boasts a special magnetic eyeliner with a high concentration of magnetic particles for secure hold. It includes 14 pairs of reusable lashes in various styles. If you want a long-lasting hold and a wide variety of styles to choose from for different occasions, this is an excellent option. What people say. They stay on all night and they are easily removable and easy to put on. The quality of the eyelashes are great. They are not too heavy at all. If done correctly, they should stay put and look beautiful for 24 hours even after sleeping with them on. Number 2. UKRIZI Natural Look False Eyelashes 10 pairs 10 mm. Experience a truly natural appearance with our lashes. The thin lash band ensures a seamless blend, enhancing your look effortlessly. Enjoy comfortable wear throughout the day. The unique, multi-layered design provides a beautiful flared effect that lasts. Crafted from 100% fine synthetic hair, these lashes feel incredibly soft and mimic the look of real lashes. They are also cruelty-free. Enhance your eyes with subtle volume, perfect for a clean or no makeup look, or even a dramatic cat eye. These lashes adapt to your desired style. Whether for daily wear or special events, these lashes are ideal. Effortlessly elevate your beauty routine for any occasion. What we like. These lashes have a thinner band for a seamless, natural look, perfect for smaller eyes. They create a wispy, flared effect that enhances your eyes without being too dramatic. If you have smaller eyes or prefer a subtle, natural enhancement with a touch of flair, these are ideal. What people say. The strip themselves are super thin, which makes the lash light and comfortable when blinking. Beautiful lashes and durable. Reusable also. The band is not too thick, so they aren't uncomfortable either. Number 1. DEJAVIA Magnetic Lashes Kit. Introducing the DEJAVIA Magnetic Lashes Kit, your new secret to stunning eyes. Get ready for a lash transformation like never before. Discover 10 versatile styles designed for any occasion, offering a natural yet glamorous 3D look. Achieve effortless beauty that complements your unique style. Our advanced magnetic eyeliner ensures a secure, long-lasting hold for up to 24 hours. Enjoy beautiful lashes that stay put, no matter what your day brings. Application is a breeze. Simply apply the magnetic eyeliner and place the lashes on top. No glue, no fuss, just gorgeous results in seconds. Crafted from premium synthetic fibers, these lashes are incredibly soft and comfortable to wear. Plus, they are reusable, offering great value and endless beauty. This comprehensive kit includes 10 pairs of lashes, magnetic eyeliner, and precision tweezers. Everything you need for a flawless lash look is right here. What we like. This option features a premium formula with strong magnetism for a secure, long-lasting hold. It includes 10 pairs of natural-looking lashes and promises 24-hour wear. If you need lashes that stay put all day and night with a natural look, and appreciate the convenience of a strong hold, this is a great pick. What people say. The set comes with 10 pairs, plus an applicator and tweezers, which makes the whole process quick and beginner-friendly. The lashes themselves are lightweight, wispy, and comfortable, and they stay put all day thanks to the strong magnets. No glue mess, no irritation. The variety of styles in the pack is also a huge plus. Whether I want a soft, natural look for daytime or something a little more dramatic for a night out, there's a pair that works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.